Welcome to Gundam Pro's 9th Shipment Tower of the Year. In this tower we have 12 kits consisting of Master Grades, High Grades, and even some Real Grades. In the Real Grade family, we have the High New Gundam, Real Grade Zeong. In the Universal Sentry line, we have MS-06 Zaku 2, as well as AMX-004 Quebly. From Pokemon, we have the brand new Gardevoir. In entry grade form, we have the RX-78-2 full weapon set. For master grades, we have Dynamis, Gundam Exia, and GNX 603T GNX. From build fighters, we have Kamiki Burning Gundam. From Best Hit Chronicles, we have the Sega Saturn. And backed by popular demand, but in limited quantities, we have Gremory from Iron-Blooded Orphans. We also brought back the ever so popular God Hands, SPN 120 Nippers. Thanks for checking out this shipment. See you next time.